Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very juicy hamburger with a homemade hamburger bun. So to start with, we're going to start with the hamburger bun ingredients, what we need. We have all the equipment that we needed, and we have 400 grams of all-purpose flour, about 12 grams of sugar, about 1 gram of salt, 2 whole eggs, large eggs, I use size 7, 2 tablespoons of oil, you can use any cooking oil you have at home. Then we need a third cup of boiling water, 2/3 cup of milk, warm milk. Make sure you warm it up in the microwave about 30 seconds. Then we have 3 grams of yeast and 1 egg wash with a tablespoon of water. And for topping on top, you can use any topping you like. I have here sesame seeds, some oats, poppy seeds. You can put cheese, you can put herbs, or you can leave it plain. So let's get started by making our dough. So we're going to start making the dough for the hamburger bun. So to start with, we're going to add in the flour. 400 grams of flour. And the sugar. And the salt. And we're going to whisk it together. And then we're going to add in the hot boiling water, a third cup of that. We're going to add the yeast to the warm milk. And just give it a gentle stir. And we're going to add it in as well. And now I'm going to add everything in. And we're going to add in the egg as well. I'm going to mix this dough. And now we're going to cover it and leave it for 20 minutes. So now after 20 minutes of resting, now I'm going to knead the dough a bit. I'm going to put in the 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add in the oil. I'm going to mix everything in. So 5 minutes in the bowl, just beating against the bowl, and then 10 minutes on the surface. Yeah. So a little bit of flour. So now ready. I'm going to put a bit of oil into here, to the bowl, and just going to turn it over, and we're going to cover it and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours depending on your room temperature until it's double in size. Okay guys, now we're going to do the hamburger patties. So here we got 700 grams of beef mince. We have 1 medium onion, we mince it in a food processor, 2 teaspoons of beef stock powder, 2 whole egg, just the egg yolk, not the egg whites, and about 3 small onion, red onion, just slice them thickly. So for the salad we have the tomato slice, gherkin, beetroot in a tin, and some curly lettuce, and cheddar cheese in the slice, and just a toothpick to help secure the burgers. And we have here the mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of the mustard, and another mayonnaise 1 cup each with 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. We have 2 different varieties of mayonnaise, and some extra sauces go on top. So let's get started. So we're going to add into the beef mince. Beef mince. We're going to add in the onions, give them a mix, and then we have here the beef stock powder, throw that in, in the whole egg yolk, 2 egg yolk. So this will fit from 6 to 8 people. We're going to do 8 hamburger bun and 8 patties to fit. So fit 6 to 8 people. Then we're going to season with a bit of pepper and sprinkle of salt. So mix everything in. Just use my hand. We're going to make it into 8. Going to cover and let it rest. So here's the mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of the mustard. We're just going to mix it in to the mayo. It's a mayonnaise already. And then we have the barbecue, 2 tablespoons of barbecue. We're gonna mix it in with the mayo. Okay, so the 2 dressing ready. We're gonna leave it aside. So now the dough is ready. See, it's double in size. So we're just gonna flatten it. A little bit of flour on your hand and around the dough, and take out all the excess. And just gonna give it a quick knit. And we're going to divide the dough into 8 pieces. So just shape them into balls, and we're gonna cover them up. After it's been divided into 8 pieces and rolled into balls, we're gonna cover it up with the wrap and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Going to cover with plastic wrap and let the bread roll double in size for 45 minutes to 60 minutes, depending on room temperature. Okay, so now the roll is proof double in size. So we're just gonna brush it lightly with egg wash. I'm gonna leave 2 of them plain, and you can just put any topping you like. I'm gonna put 2 with sesame seeds, actually 3 with sesame seeds, and 3 with poppy seeds and some oats on top. There you go. So now it's ready to be put in the oven for 190 Celsius in a fan bake for about 15 minutes until it's golden brown. Here you go. See how soft our bun is? Doesn't it look amazing? So it's really soft. We're just gonna let it rest while we cook the hamburger patties. See, very soft buns. So we'll carry on now with cooking the hamburger patties. So we're going to heat up the grill on medium high. Once it's heated up, we're going to grease it. So I use coconut oil for my grill. You can use whatever oil you have at home. I put about 3 tablespoons of oil. It needs to be hot before we can put the patties in, so it won't stick to the grill. So now it's hot. We're going to put in our patties. So we're going to cook each side of the patties about 4 minutes. We're going to put just leave it there, do not turn it while it's still cooking. Just let it cook. So it's about 4 minutes now. I'm just going to turn it. So now both sides is done. Put it over. Push it down a bit. So we're going to carry on cooking until it's all done. So now we are going to cook the onions. Just heat up a pan on medium high. Put in a bit of about a tablespoon of oil. Onion is cooked. So here's our juicy hamburger, homemade hamburger with homemade hamburger bun. Now we're going to assemble the burger. So just cut the bun when it's about cool down, and we're just going to use the tongue to get the patties. Just put, if you like, you can put some sauce in the bottom first. So I'm going to go for the mayonnaise and mustard sauce. Sorry, I'm going to go with the mayonnaise and mustard sauce. Put it on both of your bun. So put the mayonnaise on top, and then we're going to put the lettuce and the tomato. Put a pinch and some beetroot and gherkin, and then I'm going to put more mayonnaise on top like that. So you can put whatever sauce you like in yours, and then we're going to put the patties on top. And the onions. I love lots of onions. And then we're just going to put the top on and secure it. So here you go. Here's our burger. So I hope you enjoyed tonight's dinner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and look forward to see you again next time.